Phew, finally came back home from the vacation. Yeah, 'cause actually I feel tired now. Me too. We did my love finger today. So do you, sweetie. Just go everywhere we want today. Yeah, 'cause actually very fun. Yep, of course. Indeed. Oh, that hurts. It's one day. Go too far then. My wheels will be very hot now. So me too. I can stay for the moment then. Get some rest of week, I guess. Yeah, indeed. Feel okay over there? Yeah, a little bit then. Just want to get more rested. Me too. Like everything we do for some rested. Yeah, always did. Just, I think the two was my moves now. Me too then. But still, I'm happy we're going together then. Me too, the sweetie. Mwah. Mwah. Most of we had get through it, right? Yes, indeed. My chair everywhere's like that. I did feel like on vacation for you, sweetie. Me too then. Look for the pictures then. I still feel like for that. Me too then. 'Cause it's such a lovely day. Yes, indeed. And always then. I'm so happy with you together then. If you have to leave, I think going for an adventure then. My pleasure, sweetie. My pleasure. Thanks then. Mwah. Mwah. You are so sweet. Same with you then, my love. You did everything for Berto then, right? Yes, indeed. Looks like you feel tired already then. I did. Come on then, let's go to the room then. Sure. Although, well, want me to carry you? Yes? Okay then. Thanks, sweetie. My pleasure then. Come on.